Welcome to our channel. Today, we're here to take you on an exciting journey to the top must-visit travel destinations in 2024. So get ready to pack your bags and let's begin. Our first stop is the enchanting city of Paris, France. Explore iconic landmarks like the Eiffel Tower and indulge in French cuisine at charming street cafes. Next up, we're heading to the mesmerizing Kyoto, Japan. Kyoto is a city where tradition meets tranquility. Immerse yourself in the serenity of Kinkaku-ji. Stroll through the enchanting Arashiyama bamboo grove and experience the grace of geishas in Gion. Next on our list is Santorini, Greece. Santorini is a gem in the Aegean Sea. Witness unforgettable sunsets in Oya. Relax on the unique red beach and explore the mysteries of Akrotiri's archaeological site. Next up, we're heading to the mesmerizing city of Kyoto, Japan. Immerse yourself in ancient traditions. Visit breathtaking temples and witness the beauty of cherry blossoms in full bloom. Now, let's make our way to the vibrant city of Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Discover the energetic rhythms of samba. Soak up the sun on the famous Copacabana beach and experience the excitement of Carnival. We're heading to the mesmerizing Santorini, Greece. Wander through the narrow, winding streets of Oya, where every corner reveals a new postcard-perfect view. Delve into the island's history at the ancient ruins of Akrotiri. Savor local wines at a cliffside winery. We're heading to the mesmerizing Bali, Indonesia. Witness a traditional Balinese dance performance. Explore the lush rice terraces of Tagalalang. Find inner peace with a yoga retreat in Ubud. And rejuvenate with a Balinese massage. Moving on, we find ourselves in the mystical city of Marrakesh, Morocco. Get lost in the bustling souks. Marvel at the intricately designed palaces. And indulge in delicious Moroccan cuisine. Our next destination takes us to the stunning island of Bali, Indonesia. Experience the tranquility of its lush landscapes. Visit ancient temples and unwind on pristine beaches. Next up is Banff National Park, Canada. Immerse yourself in the Lake Louise, Moraine Lake, Banff Gondola, Peyto Lake, Icefields Parkway. 1. Reasons to visit: majestic mountain landscapes, pristine lakes, wildlife encounters, and outdoor adventures. Up next is Sri Lanka. The attractions are Sigiriya Rock Fortress, Dambulla Cave Temple, Pinnawala Elephant Orphanage, Adams Peak, Gaul Fort. 1. Reasons to visit: diverse landscapes, ancient heritage, wildlife, and flavorful cuisine. Next is Dubrovnik, Croatia. The attractions are Dubrovnik City Walls, Old Town, Fort Lovrienic, Rector's Palace, Lokrum Island. 1. Reasons to visit: stunning medieval architecture. 2. Game of Thrones filming locations and Adriatic sea views. Next on our list is Cappadocia, Turkey. Its attractions are hot air balloon rides, Gourmet Open Air Museum, Kamakli Underground City, Pasabag, Monks Valley. 1. Reasons to visit: surreal landscapes, cave hotels, and unique historical sites. Next up is Amsterdam, Netherlands. With its attractions such as Anne Frank House, Van Gogh Museum, Rijksmuseum, Jordan District, Kokenhof Gardens. 1. Reasons to visit: canals, rich art and history, vibrant culture, and beautiful tulip displays. Make sure to add New York City, USA to your travel bucket list. Explore the dazzling Times Square, take a walk in Central Park, and enjoy the vibrant cultural scene. Traveling further, we arrive in the exotic city of Cape Town, South Africa. Witness the breathtaking views from Table Mountain. Explore the vibrant neighborhoods, and encounter incredible wildlife on a safari. Our adventure now takes us to the ancient city of Petra, Jordan. Marvel at the famous treasury carved into the sandstone cliffs, and explore the fascinating archaeological sites. Next, we find ourselves in the romantic city of Venice, Italy. Take a gondola ride through its charming canals, visit magnificent palaces, and fall in love with its unique atmosphere. And finally, we end our journey in the tropical paradise of Bora Bora, French Polynesia. Relax on pristine white sandy beaches, dive into crystal clear waters, and enjoy the ultimate island getaway. Thank you for joining me today on the Alice. Until our next adventure, may your journeys be filled with discovery, wonder, and the joy of exploring the world in 2024. We hope you enjoyed this virtual tour of the top must-visit travel destinations in 2024. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration. Happy travels!